Okay, we're going to make part 124-4-49B. It is an English part. We're going to look at some of this stuff here, that it's 5 inches long, or 5 inches wide, 8 inches long. If we do the math and do 1.5 plus 1.75, that leaves 1.75 over here on this side. And for right now, that's okay to do. And 1.5 thickness right there, and then this one goes out. That's actually going to be 8 minus 1.5, so it's 6.5. All right, so go ahead to your program, and we're going to get started by clicking New Drawing. Pause this as you need to. Go back if you need to. Put the part number in as 124-4-49B, and it is not a metric part. It is in English or imperial. I'm going to click Open. So we've kind of got an idea what we want to do. It looks like as we're trying to start these things, they're zoomed way out. So I'm going to kind of move this so this is called a UCS icon. I'll move it down here. That's kind of close. So I'm going to click Line, come in here, and I'm going to draw this over this way. Now it's rubber banding again, so I'm going to click the Ortho button so it doesn't do that. And I'm going to go to the right 1.5. And then I'm going to go upward. I'm going to just kind of zoom a little bit, move my mouse and scroll and pan. So I'll move the mouse in. As long as you got the wherever the crosshairs are is where it zooms, so I can roll my mouse in a little bit. That way, I'll go up 1.75. I'm going to go to the right 6.5, go up 1.5, go back to the left 6.5, go up 1.75, go to the left 1.5, and then hit C to close. That should be it. That's the part. We'll go ahead and click Save. It should save it right there, and click Plot to that, and then click the Plot to the PDF. And once it's done, don't forget, let it do what it's doing. It's doing all it's thinking. Download that PDF, and when it comes up on your screen, this is what I want you to save. Remember where you saved it. So that's what I want you to show me. All right, that's it.